Hey everyone, in this one we're looking at displaying data in stem and leaf plots. So a stem and leaf plot is another graphical representation. We're going to look at the conventions appropriate to those. So using our classifying data, stem and leaf plots are used with predominantly continuous and can be sometimes used with discrete, but we generally don't use it. And you shouldn't really be using it for nominal and ordinal data, so qualitative data. The reason why we use stem and leaf plot is because it puts things into classes. So previously in class we've done frequency tables and we've done class intervals. So we looked at ages of people who own mobile phones, and we had 10 to 19, 20 to 21, 29, 30, 39, and so forth, and we took tallies and then did the frequency and so forth. Yep, cool. So a stem and leaf plot essentially does that, but graphically. So that's what we're going to look at now. It's used for discrete or continuous. The numbers are the leaves in ascending order, has a title key, and can be used for a number of things. And uses the numbers. So prepare an ordered stem and leaf plot for the following data. So I'm going to have a quick look at my data and identify my minimum, which is 121, and my maximum 172. Yep, my maximum. And at least then now I know what my range of my data needs to be. Before I start though, I'm going to draw up my stem and leaf kind of arrangement. And that looks something like this. So I'm going to go like that. Let's see if my pen will do this. So across. I'm going to do another one down. Probably should have used it like so. And I'm going to identify my stem. So your stem is like, and your leaf. Your stem is like your category. So if we have a look here, 121 is our minimum. So if we think about it, there's 121, there's also 129, and they both are 120 plus something, yep. So we use 12 as our stem and the 1. Then the 9, and it's in ascending order away from the stem. Look at the 13. Oh, sorry, there's also a 5. So I've done that one, and I'm doing this one, and that actually has to go in there because it's in ascending order. So 13, you can see this one here, and this one here, and this one here. So that would be 4, 7, 9. And 14, there's an 8, so I'm just going to put a dash above it so I know that I'm counting it. So 2 8s, doesn't matter in which order they go. 52, 58, 152, 8, and 163, 162. 16, 2, and 3, and 17, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So I've constructed my stem and leaf plot. My stem is derived from essentially making a class. So 120 to 129 is my class. Anything that matches that category goes in this leaf. But instead of like writing the whole number out, I just write the bit that's changing, or the unit, one's unit for each of those. I make sure that they're in ascending order. There's no commas or any indications between each number, because the convention states that you would put a singular number here, and each one of these is an independent there's 3 data points. It's not 479. So you do need to make sure that you repeat duplicates, because remember, each one is a data point. Now the last thing that we need is our key. So your key equals 113 bracket, I'll turn that into a 4, equals 134, whatever it is that you're measuring. So what you're going to do is construct a back-to-back leaf plot. Oh, sorry, it's just like decided to scroll up a little bit. You're going to, what is it? First thing, ID, your min, your max, then construct stem, leaf. You put, in this case here, because it's only 2 numbers, there's 40 trees, so you'll have 40 points here. Identify your minimum, maximum. You might end up with, I can see your 2, so your stem would be just your tens, and your leaves will be whatever it is all the way down. Don't forget your key, and it's the same thing with this one here. Have a go, see how you go. And don't forget to put them in your exercise book. All right, stay awesome. Thank you. Bye.